Now, athletes and track and field officials are being urged to get their minds ready for an artificial intelligence revolution that could significantly reshape the sport. Gerard Morris-Seeley reports.
Dr. John Paul Clark, an aerospace engineering and engineering mechanics professor at the University of Texas at Austin, says AI-driven systems are being developed to assist with track and field officiating. Dr. Clark, who delivered the Gibson McCook Relays organized Howard Aris Memorial Lecture on Thursday at the Michael University College, disclosed how AI technology is going to change the sport globally. Dr. Clark, who also serves as World Athletics referee and chairman of the NACAC Athletics Technology Commission, says work is advanced on software to automatically detect lane infringements, along with another system designed to help athletes refine their performances, particularly their reaction times and block starts.
So we have something that looks at the start and analyzes the start, how long they're spending in different phases, etc., while they're getting to the set, and so you can actually use it and replay and help people perfect their start.
The Calabar alumnus says these systems could be competition ready within the next 6 months to a year, and is encouraging coaches, athletes and the technical officials to embrace the changes rather than fear them. He explains that the technology will not replace officials, but instead enhance accuracy and decision making while giving athletes data-driven insights to improve execution.
The point about AI is, or any technology, you want to use it as in an assistant role, supporting the human decision making. That's the best function. Because the only time you want to use a technology by itself without any human supervision is if you have a guarantee that it will perform.
With innovation now stepping onto the track alongside the athletes, the sport could be entering one of its most transformative periods yet. The Gibson McCook Relays take center stage this Saturday at the National Stadium with live coverage on Television Jamaica, TVJ Sports Network and One Spot Media beginning at 3:45 p.m. ahead of the first event at 4. Gerard Morris-Seeley for TVJ Sports.